When it comes to Lisa, there are two aspects that are particularly important to mention that I would recommend Lisa for to anyone who's intending to transform their leadership, work effectively with others, and ultimately move their organizations forward. It's her capacity to create a safe space, create the intimacy necessary for people to share themselves and explore what may be their strengths and what prevent those strengths from being fully realized. She has a distinct perspective, she brings a unique voice, and also she brings a depth of listening that makes you feel that what we are designing, that the event that is being created is co-authored, not somebody prescribing it, i.e. the coach, nor something that you want to do that you may not know whether or not it's going to work. So she's the perfect mirror, the perfect partner for a dialogue that ultimately will produce fruitful results, a great experience for people, and more importantly, the kind of spirit as a team that will move people forward together. The experience of being coached by Lisa is not just the ability to see problem-solving strategies or great techniques or tips to do something better, but it's actually to become a more fully realized leader, to become someone that people not only want to listen to, but they want to follow.